Sanbonan Ninjan. Welcome back to Siafunza. This lesson is going to focus on noun classes, specifically in the class. We're going to spend the next few weeks going through the various noun classes so you can get more comfortable with them, so you can learn some new vocabulary, and so that you can get strong in singular and plural and how to use the noun classes in a sentence. So today we're focusing on the class. That's words that begin with or sometimes umu, umu. Let's start with these three. Umfana. If you've been following along, you've probably heard that one a few times now. That means a boy. Umfana. Let's do another one. Umuntu. That one means a person. And the last one, umfana. A child. So we have umfana, a boy, umuntu, a person, umfana, a child. Now let's do them singular to plural. Umfana, a boy, bafana, boys. Umuntu, a person, bantu, people. Umfana, a child, bantwana, children. You'll notice that the plural for all of them is adding ba. We remove the or umu, umu, and we add ba. Umfana, bafana, umuntu, bantu, umfana, bantwana. Now let's look at three more, and this is our first exception for this class. If you've done the lessons before, you've heard me speak about this, but let's do three nouns in the class, and what you notice is that each of these nouns is not a person, it's just nouns. And remember, noun classes are not a group of similar things. The only thing that keeps them in the same class is that they will begin with the same prefix, but it can be people or any various kind of noun. So let's do three more that are not people. First one is umshanyelo, a broom. Umshanyelo. Let's do another one. Umndeni, a family. Umndeni. And let's do one more. Umkhono, an arm. Umkhono, an arm. So we have umshanyelo, umndeni, umkhono. Now what you notice is as we do the plural for these, we don't change the prefix from to ba. Because these are not people, the plural, even though it's the same class in the singular, the plural is different. The plural for these is we change to imi. This is what it looks like. Umshanyelo, a broom. Imishanyelo, brooms. Umndeni, a family. Imindeni, families. Umkhono, an arm. Imikhono, arms. So there's our 6 new words. Hopefully you're learning and memorizing these and also seeing what it looks like in the class. Now let's do one more thing, and let's use some of these words in a sentence. I'll ask where something is and then answer here it is, and we'll use some singular and some plural. For example, let's ask, where is the boy? Uphi umfana. The response would be, here is the boy, if he was right here. Nangu umfana. Uphi umfana? Nangu umfana. Let's do another one. Let's ask, where is the broom? We would say, uphi umshanyelo. And if it was right here and we're saying here is the broom, we would say, nangu umshanyelo. Now let's do both of those in plural. Watch how here is changes. A little bit of the prefix there changes. So let's ask, where are the boys? Baphi bafana. Do you notice? Instead of uphi, we said baphi because it's bafana. Baphi bafana. And here's another change in the answer. Here are the boys. We would say naba bafana. Naba bafana. Now let's ask, where is the broom? Where are the brooms? We would say ipi imishanyelo. Notice the change again. We're no longer saying upi, ipi imishanyelo. And if we say here are the brooms, again there's a change. Nai imshanyelo. Nai imshanyelo. Uphi umfana, nangu umfana. Baphi bafana, naba bafana. Uphi umshanyelo, nangu umshanyelo. Iphi imishanyelo, nai imishanyelo. We've come to the end of our lesson. Well done for sticking around and continuing to learn. If you would like to go in depth in Siswati lessons, learn more, practice more, email me. My email address is in the comments. Reach out and I'll give you more information on that. As well, I encourage you to like, subscribe, and share this with anyone that you feel that it would be useful to. Looking forward to seeing you as we carry on looking at nouns in the various noun classes and how we can use them. Tawonana.